Good day, ma'am. I'm Shendi H. Umar, a BS Ed Science Students 1B. Here's my final examination in purposive communication. This is my senior high school research. The title is The Level of Absenteeism in Lower Grades of Mangsi National High School. Chapter 1 is Introduction. Absence nowadays cannot be separated from the individual who was called students. This absence of phenomena, it is easy to see even like it has become a necessity in the nature of students. So, it is not surprising if the habit continues to proceeds among school students as examples of primary schools, secondary school, and even in university level, the problem still persists. The absence of students in class getting worse, sometimes attend a class a few times in a week. Other than that, attendance of students in a class based on the subject that they like these scenarios actually should not be happen. Because students, they already know and things to differentiate between the good and worst. Besides, they also will know the impact and effect while they absent from a class. As students, they must well know what exactly their responsibility. Role like we call students, it is important for students to know that with these attitudes, they will get the bad outcomes as usually when related in academic performance. Most of students are absent because they have a valid reason like family problem, financial problem, and even anti-bullying problem. Students not attending a class, it is a reason why their academic performance are affected. As teacher, you need to know that why your students should be absent. Teachers have responsibility to know and to protect that your student not attend a class or absent. Sometimes students because they together with their friends like gimmick and etc. So it is a reason why students absent. Chapter 3 is methodology. In this chapter include a local of study, respondents of study, research design, sampling procedure, research instruments, procedures for data collections, and procedures for data analysis. In local of study, this was conducted in lower grades students of Mangsi National High Schools from the month of November to March 2019 to 2020. The respondents of the study are the students of Mangsi National High School, especially the lower grades of Mangsi National High School. Research design. This study was descriptive method using a prepared survey method and rate the level of absenteeism. Sampling procedure. This study will not employ any age sampling technique to establish its respondents because it will only cater less number of populations comes from the lower grades of Mangsi National High School. The respondents of this study will compose of lower grades of Mangsi National High School. Research instruments. In this study, the researcher will utilize the documentation and researchers made questionnaires about the level of absenteeism. It will employ descriptive method using a prepared checklist questionnaire in gathering data from the respondents. Procedure for data collection. The researcher will secure the letter of approval from the school head of Mangsi National High School before this study will start. After the approval from the school head, the researcher will collect data through questionnaire administered to the respondents and they will assure of the confidentiality of the data will be collected from them. Procedures for data analysis. Data gathered will analyze using frequency counts, tally. Chapter 4 is result and discussion. This chapter contains the presentation, analysis, interpretation, and discussion pertinent data to facilitate and guide the students who being absent. Table 1, distribution of the respondents as kinds of problem in school absenteeism. This confirmed to Will Kearney 2003 that average of anti-bullying problem is 26%, where the school academic performance problem is 21, and the family problem is 20, financial problem is 17, and the very low is relationship problem as the average is 10. The main problem is anti-bullying problem because the respondent